Hey friend, thanks for checking out my ZeroDTE YouTube channel, or 0 Days to Expiration. Now you're probably here looking for great content on trading the last day of options on the S&P. Well, you've come to the right place. The 0-DTE strategy that we practice here is totally different from other 0-DTE strategies. And you might say that we do it exactly the opposite way. It's what I call inversion of risk. You will learn how to use asymmetric risk to reward in a way where the risk is extremely small and the reward has huge upside potential. This is the way the professionals do it. You'll learn how to have skin in the game and never feel anxiety-ridden while you're in a trade, knowing that this strategy has a built-in positive outcome. Now, I'm a 30-year veteran of coaching traders and business people, and my goal is to be of service to you. So check out the 0-DTE service in the description and subscribe to this channel. It's a decision that you'll never regret.